Hi everyone, today we are going to be taking a look at Emacs Linux for the Raspberry Pi. Let's get right to it. So this is a newer version of Emacs Linux, and if you want to download it, I'll leave links in the description. But this operating system is kind of different from others in a way, but I think that it's a pretty good operating system. So let's get to testing out this. So there is kind of a different layout right here. So we have a dock over here, and then there is like a menu right here. It's an app finder thing. So it's got all the stuff right here, and you can just search for a certain application. Then we have some other tools right here. So we have the settings manager right here, and we can choose different settings, and I think a lot of these will open up another window. So say Raspberry Pi configuration, it opens up these, but it basically just allows access for all the different settings right here. So if we close that, we have the file manager right here. I'm not sure which one this is though. I think it's the default XFCE one. Then we have the web browser. So it loads up about average speed for a Raspberry Pi, I would say. I guess it's still loading, but it's all rendered. So anyway, we have that, and we can also install something like Chromium. So we have stuff right here. So QuickShot, I think that's a screenshot program. Then the task manager. This is the same one included in Raspberry Pi OS. Then the terminal. Also the same, I think. Maybe it's a little bit different. And then the VLC media player. This is an audio player. I've never used this before. And then, of course, the Firefox web browser again. So we have this setup, help videos and help docs. So say we go to help docs. I guess it goes to the file manager. So right here, it's basically a manual for the operating system. This is just the first steps. So there's some stuff there. Then the setup. I guess that's basically, yeah, that's the same document right there. Then we have this over here, which is called Conky, and there are different themes for it. So this is included in like Twister OS and stuff like that. So it's a pretty common application in Linux, but we have this on our desktop right here, which I think is a nice touch. And we can also customize that to be all sorts of different things. So performance of this operating system, it seems pretty average. It doesn't seem to be super impressive, but it's not bad either. And I think it's overall a pretty good option. So I hope you enjoyed this video, checking out this operating system. And if you did, leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Until next time, it's Fortnite Kiwi from Super User Projectile.